Alright boys, we just got done going live on the YouTube here. We peaked at almost 50 viewers here. We're at 48 viewers here, and that is fucking amazing. But we just got done going live on the YouTube, and we are down about, let me show you guys really quick. We are down about $1,700 on the day. Like I said, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I took 2 really bad trades. But other than that, we're gonna eat our food here. I'm gonna show you guys what we have. We have 2 waffles here and like just a ham sandwich or turkey sandwich here. But other than that, guys, we're about to eat this and head straight to the gym. But we do have our video uploading right here. It's about to get done uploading soon, so yeah. Alright boys, we're about to head to the gym right now. Probably gonna stop by Quick Trip to grab an energy drink or something caffeine wise, and then head straight towards the gym. I get nervous when I talk to beautiful people like you. Alright, what is up? Today we got deadlifts. I'm not gonna lie, my butt fucking hurts. Oh my god, hold on. Sorry. Gotta go on the beat drop, you feel me? You know the truth about guys who can deadlift 4 or 5? They have big.
I've heard the opposite.
Oh.
It doesn't help that you either.
That's fucked up. Now I'm gonna get this shit up.
Was it a struggle?
Oh my god. No, that was a struggle. Alright guys, I gave longs here a stab over here, and I'm with 1 contract only just to manage my risk. I'm hoping these highs get swept, and yeah, I'll let you guys know if we hit take profit or not. Alright, we never hit take profit, but I ended up taking my profits at the slow, which is perfectly fine. So I think we're bound to hit it regardless. I just trailed my stop just to be safe, but this was a little good RR trade, a little one and a half, but we were in barely any drawdown, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm only down 1,500 on the day, which is perfectly fine. Still up about 4K on the combine, so we're chilling. But I will not lie to you guys, I over traded the fuck out of like today's trades. I took in total of 7 trades, and like I shouldn't have traded over 3, but I did because I saw good trades overall. Like I said, I saw good trades, so I took it. I'm never gonna try to pass down the opportunity to take the trade. If I see a good trade, I'm gonna take it. But I try to limit myself to like 1 or 3. But today we took 7, and yeah. So we took 5 losses and 2 wins. Those wins kind of added up, so I'm only down 1,500 today on the combine, so I'm not really too mad about that. I was originally down about 2 grand, but now I'm only down like 1,500, which is not bad. But yeah, I'm glad I got out of here, so that's all that matters. Alright, this is the trade recap of today's trades that we took on the live YouTube, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did complete shit. We took 7 total fucking trades. You know how that sounds so stupid. Realistically, I don't know why I took 7 trades. It looked good. Some of the trades looked good in my opinion, so that's why I took it. But took 7 trades, and I'm only down $1,500 on the day. Like I said, I kept my losses pretty tight and my winners kind of big, but at the same time I'm still down 1,500 bucks. So as we're here, here's the P&L right now. We're down 1,585, like 1,600 bucks or whatever. But let's get right into it. So basically, I phone mode a lot today. Low key, I'm gonna be completely real. I phone mode a lot. So yeah. So basically, here's the first trade. Basically, news had us dumping down. I was pretty bullish going into the day, going into the morning, but yeah. So I was pretty much kind of mixed bias, kind of more bullish going into the morning. So then basically what happened here is I took a long up here. So I thought we were going to just like retrace and just disrespect this and go higher. And plus we had bullish SMT at the time. So bullish SMT here, we displaced up 5-minute broke structure to the upside here. So I was like, okay, look, I may look to take a long here. So basically price came down, tapped this 5-minute here, and on the 1-minute here also we had this bullish imbalance here that we were respecting, this little unicorn kind of area, this order block, fair value gap here, or this breaker block, fair value gap. So basically I saw that we tapped this, displaced up, leaving another fair value gap here, and I just blatantly longed and explain, like I just longed up here, got filled up here, and because we just broke structure back to the upside, so I longed there and then got stopped out. And then yeah, that was the first trade we took. This trade was the fucking not the best, honestly. I don't know why I traded this. Lesson learned. Terrible trade. So then I was still long bias here, right? So now we go to NQ, and I was like, okay, look, we tapped this bullish imbalance here. We came back down, tapping OTE of this range, plus, yeah, tapping OTE of this range. So as soon as we swept up these highs, I was like, okay, look, we could be bearish, but I'm not really sure. So then I was like, okay, look, we're respecting this bullish imbalance here. We're still going up. So then what I saw was, okay, we don't have any like fair value gaps, any imbalances after that. So then I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna look to long soon and target these highs, because if you go on the 5-minute time chart here, standard deviation was projecting price to come up to those highs, because this was the right here. I think it was this one that I drew. From here to here, standard deviation was projected price to come up to these highs area right here, and we had equal highs up here. So then I was like, okay, look, I'll look to long. So price came up, swept out all of this liquidity up here, came back down, respecting this imbalance. So I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna look to long here. So then what happened here was we come up, we come back down, breaking structure to the breaking structure to the downside here, and then we had this bearish imbalance, and I was like, okay, look, I'll look to long off this BPR here. And I went pretty heavy on this trade, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because I was pretty confident in this trade. So then what happened here is we come down, tapping this BPR, and just straight flush down. I was pretty confident in this trade, to be honest with you, because we just had this big bullish expansion back up, and yeah, this trade was decent in my opinion, so I'm not really too worried about that. It was expecting these highs. And now that I saw that, okay, look, price just came back and swept up this high, so we could be bearish. So we broke structure on the 5-minute here, right? Broke structure on the 5-minute here with this displacement, broke structure to the downside, and I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna look to short here and target these lows right here, because if you draw, like I said, on the 5-minute here, draw another standard deviation, price was projecting to come down to this low. This was the last manipulation move right here, from here to here. Price, I was projecting these lows to get swept, and it did, but I would have gotten I got stopped out. So basically what happened here was price came down, boom, straight flush down, and then I just kind of just shorted, to be honest with you. Drew my fib, we were in this 1-minute imbalance here, so I was like, fuck it, we're gonna enter my shorts, and got stopped out. And oh, it was also, we were in this BPR here also, that's where I entered. So we were in this BPR here plus this bullish imbalance here, so we ran through this after respecting a few times, and yeah, we were respecting it for a little bit and then just fucking straight up move. And that was the third trade that we took. Like I said, this trade wasn't bad, but I should have waited. We had like this order block up here, and we had these just straight up to the upside move here. I know I'm just yapping a lot, but yeah, this trade didn't look terrible. The next trade here, I'm not too happy about this trade, to be honest with you. So basically, I saw that we came back down, swept some sort of liquidity here at this low right here, and plus we were in a bullish imbalance on the higher time frame. So swept this, broke structure to the upside, BPR here also, and I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna look to enter off this this inverse fair value gap. My stop was a candle closure below this low, and I got stopped out right here. So that was the fourth trade that we took. Not, like I said, these trades are terrible today. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. And then this trade was a turtle soup. We were in this 4-hour imbalance here. 4-hour imbalance. We had bullish SMT at the time. Bullish SMT. So I longed here, and I saw that price came back down. Price respected this leg up, and then another leg to the upside. I entered here at the time, and it got stopped out, and stop was below the slow, and yeah, that was a pretty bad trade. I'm like, it wasn't a terrible trade. It was a total soup trade, and we were respecting it. We were in 4-hour imbalance. We had bullish SMT at the time, so yeah. And this trade right here was not terrible. Basically, we come up, tap 50% mark of this whole entire range from here to here. 50% mark of the range. And then I was like, okay, look, this looks really good. So then what I did was I was like, okay, I'm going to wait for a 5-minute break of structure. 5-minute broke structure to the downside. Right here, broke structure to the downside. And then I looked to enter, right? So basically price came up and price came down, came up, and then inverse this fair value up here. Also BPR here. So I entered a short, and then boom, my stop was above a candle closure above this BPR, and I got entered right here at this inverse fair value gap right here. And then I wrote it down to the slow, and yeah, pretty much that happened. Nice little quick trade here, just a nice straight flush down move. I took it at the gym, so it was a really good trade. And then this move I caught right before market just completely fucking dumped. What happened here was pretty much we have this 4-hour low that we swept, except now it just dumped. We had a 4-hour low swept, and then I was like, okay, look, this looks great. I might look to take a long here. Basically, price came up, disrespected this inverse fair value gap also. So I took this trade here, took my trade at this inverse. Stop was below this low, or stop was the candle closure below this inverse fair value gap. My target was this high, but I ended up taking profits at this right here. I'm pretty sure took profits right here, and yeah. So like I said, if I would have waited, this high would have got met, but I didn't. I waited, and I took profits pretty early up here. So it was a nice little trade overall. Like I said, I'm only down $1,500 on the day. Not the best trading today. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not the best trading. I'm not happy about today at all. Did very terrible trading, but we are down about $1,500 on the day, so it's not too bad or whatever. But yeah, those are the trades that we took today, and yeah. All right, boys, we got some food here, some rice, some vegetables, and some beef, fish, and smoked sausage. Watching some basketball here because Cam Wilder was in OKC watching this game, and I just got done uploading my YouTube video over here, so we're gonna be chilling, eating, watching the video, and then yeah, what is it? We got work later today, so I will catch you guys all later. All right, boys, we made it to our makeshift job. Have work from 6 to 11. It is about 5:40 right now. Like I said, we're only down 1,500 on the day. 1,600 really doesn't matter. Down on the day. Today was not the best trading day, and I'm not happy with my trading. Just trading overall today. I FOMO'd a lot today. Just did terrible things that I shouldn't have done in the charts today, and I need to know that that shit is not okay. It's going to kill me mentally. But other than that, guys, hopefully tomorrow we'll find something good. Tomorrow we do have lots of news. We got NFP, I think, kind of non-farm ADP unemployment roll, and then we got PMI and all this stuff. So like I said, it's gonna be very high impact news tomorrow, plus we have FOMC. So we'll probably take a break tomorrow, but I'll end up just kind of looking and seeing if anything looks good. And to be also fair, Wednesdays have been my unprofitable days from last week and the week before that. So I kind of maybe just want to just take a break this Wednesday maybe, just because we have lots of news, and Wednesday has been my most unprofitable days. But like this whole week, like I said, has very high impact news. So we'll see what happens. All right, boys, we're at work. It's about 8 o'clock right now. Like I said, we're in the works right here. Matrix is starting to fuck us up. So basically, we're gonna work our ass off, make some money just to go by, and then maybe one day, I know that one day that we will be out of the Matrix. Not gonna lie, I'm at Wendy's right now. I'm about to run out of gas here. At Wendy's getting some motherfucking food. We got off work like 20 minutes ago, so I just came here to get some food for me and my brother. But other than that, guys, that's gonna end today's video. I appreciate everyone for joining. I'll think about going live tomorrow. I'm not too sure yet. We do have lots of news, like lots of high impact news tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.